the?
Years I've been voicing lovable cartoon dogs like Scooby-Doo, Astro. Hey, I love puppies and dogs, and now I get to help pets that need a voice to save their lives. That's where the Puppy Food Bank comes in. The Puppy Food Bank helps pet rescue organizations so they can feed puppies.
What, you don't want to fucking stop? Fuck you. What, bro? You don't want to stop at the stop sign? Yeah, you got the stop sign. I have the right of way. You're not gonna stop, bro. What are you doing? What's your rush, bro? Damn.
去邊度？
喺個櫃入邊咯，喺嗰個寵物櫃入邊啊，有最早又係喺99買嘅，長春買嚟嘅。俾呢啲買，全部買都係先買嘅。嗰度個湯米，哇！隻屌佢啊！將我啲包全部跌咗落地下，佢唔行啦係嘛？係冇同佢整。
Dude! Come on! Get out of the road! Stupid nut! automation platform
Whack
into
job.
MailChimp. Number 1, based on publicly available data on competitors' customers. Plans vary. SMS available.
I'm gonna say he has more.
All right, let's lock you in on that. Rita, what do you say? You agree with Robin?
I do. I agree with Robin 100%.
Again, do not hang up. Will you win or not? Okay, press lock. Not hang up.
What the fuck are you doing? I don't have to move for you. Idiot. How fucking dumb do you have to be? Where's your fucking brake pedal? Huh? Where's your brake pedal? What, you think you're just gonna intimidate me off the fucking road? Come on, cut me off. Hit me, motherfucker. Fuck you. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna fucking move an inch, bitch. Fucking scrub.
Hey, homecoming queen. How's things at home? Still walking on eggshells when that curtain's closed. Did your daddy teach you how to act tough? Or more like your mama, slipping under the rug? Damn good in the dress, zipping up the mess, dancing with your best foot forward. Did you want the crown? What does the way you down? Nobody's feeling sorry.
To have an adequate perspective on something as complicated as the history of work. So who might have that perspective?
Work has always in some ways defined what people do, certainly since the agricultural revolution.
That is James Sussman. He is an anthropologist who spent time in academia and now writes books. He also once held a very unlikely corporate job, which we'll hear about later, England, a farmhouse in France, and the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa, where he's been doing field work for years.
I've been working with Bushmen since...
So basically, I literally said to her, like, I was trying to leave. But basically, if anything goes down, I'm just walking out. I'm just walking out. You'd be like, nope, you don't do that. Oh, shit! What the fuck?
You okay?
Did you do that shit on purpose? Now that I'm allowed to pick y'all up, I'm gonna say she had a car follow. Oh my god, Sean, are you okay? This guy is trying to fight Sean. Just go somewhere else. Just go somewhere else.